it was earlier said, in marketing jargon, कि आप कुछ भी बेच सकते हो as far as your marketing campaign is doing extremely well. You can't do that today because the consumer, the person who's finally buying it, is better educated, better connected, better aware. He or she has done research. There are some 20,000 review platforms where the guy will go and check you out. So today, the marketing, at least for brands like us or anybody, has become so much more difficult.
There are three worst addictions on this planet. Drugs is the first worst addiction that you can have. The second worst addiction is carbohydrates. The third worst addiction is a monthly paycheck. If you really want to become entrepreneurs, then you better do it now when you are not really addicted to that third addiction of a monthly paycheck.
Your AI may not pick up your jobs, but if you are not conversant with AI, then you will lose your job. So you will be judged on the core competence along with your updated knowledge on usage of AI.
Entrepreneurship, it's a way of life. So it is the way you live life. Entrepreneurs are people who solve problems. Right? So they develop an eye, they develop a habit of solving problems.
So as an entrepreneur, first you need to see, is there a need for the product in the market? Once you see the need is there in the market, and then you need to see the size of the whether audience or customers or clients. Do we have enough customers or enough clients in the market who can come in and buy your product?
And we mentioned 1.4 billion people. That's real. That's not debatable. How will we feed, provide water, and clean air, and I'm going to add personally, provide an increased standard of living? They're real problems. They're not debatable problems. If someone says climate change isn't real, I'll say, oh, great, well, let's just talk about providing clean water for everyone.